Level up your freelance game and land those coveted Toptal projects by acing the email response. Step 1. Dive deep into the email and thoroughly understand all instructions. Carefully read the entire message before you even think about typing a reply. Identify the client's needs, deadlines, and any specific requirements. Pay close attention to what they are asking for. Is it a request for your resume, a project proposal, or maybe a technical assessment? Underlining specific keywords in the message can help. Step 2. Craft a clear and comprehensive response. Address every point brought up in the email. Don't leave any questions. Answer. If your client has asked for a resume and a project proposal, make sure you include both in your response. Address each and every point mentioned in the original email. Step 3. Showcase your expertise through the information you provide. Explain your thought process in simple terms and detail your plan for success. Demonstrate that you understand the work. This is your chance to display your problem-solving skills. Include examples that show a proven history of success and the skills you have mentioned in your proposal. Back up your claims with relevant experience and examples. Step 4. Respond promptly. Time is of the essence. Aim to reply within a reasonable time frame, ideally within a few hours or at least by the end of the same day during the business hours. This shows that you are eager and available. Speed of answering can be a factor in getting projects. Set a habit. Being a timely responder proves that you aren't just amazing at your craft, but also that you're committed and reliable. By following these steps, you'll maximize your chances of landing those Toptal gigs and boost your freelance career. Good luck and happy freelancing.